Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Forever 21. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in forever21.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Forever 21 website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Now you can log in using your email address and your password, or you can also log in using your Google, your Facebook, or Amazon account. Click on these options if you have set up your account with these. Otherwise, just enter your email address within the given section. Then type in the account password that you have set up while creating your account in the first place, and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Forever 21 account right away. And now you will be able to start shopping immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Forever 21. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.